In today's video, I'm going to teach you change your Shopify store name and URL 2023 fast. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can update your branding with confidence. First, head to your Shopify admin and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the core details for your store. Inside Settings, open the Store Details page, sometimes labeled General on older layouts. Here you'll see the current store name at the top of the Basic Information section. This is the customer-facing name that appears across your storefront, checkout, and many of your notifications. Click directly into the store name field to highlight it, then type the new name exactly as you want customers to see it. Keep it clean and consistent with your brand. If you're rebranding, this is a great time to double-check capitalization and spacing so the name looks professional everywhere it appears. Before you save, glance over the surrounding details to make sure everything matches your new identity. While we aren't changing those fields today, alignment across your store name, contact details, and legal pages helps keep your brand consistent. Now, click Save. Shopify will confirm the update, and changes usually take effect right away. If you don't see the new name instantly on your live storefront, give it a moment and refresh your browser. Caching can delay the update briefly. To confirm everything looks right, click your store name at the top of the admin, or use the View button to open your storefront. You should now see the updated name in the header and, when you head to checkout, reflected there as well. A quick word on the URL piece. Your internal myshopify.com address is set when you create the store and can't be changed. However, what customers see can absolutely reflect your new brand. That's controlled by your primary domain. If you already use a custom domain, make sure it aligns with your new name. If you're planning a domain change, manage it from the domain section of your admin, then set the correct primary domain so customers land on the updated URL. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate, so allow for a short delay. That's it. You've updated your Shopify store name, saved the change, and verified it on your live site with a clear plan for aligning your public